another wonderful day outside, and I'm on my way to my parents' house to drop some laundry to wash. And while that's washing, I'm going to run to the gym. And now that Ryan's home, the construction begins again. Today's project for him is rigging some deadbolt locks and the breezeway doors.
What section of your blog is this? The noise I have to put up with today part?
I wasn't going to go there, but...
Yeah, that's what part's going to stick out.
This is the breaking shit part.
So I just got to put a collar on it. But I just got to put the collar on.
Industrial locks for a 40-year-old door.
I'm going to end up having to put a plate probably right here, because the door frame just doesn't allow for it.
Progress.
Huh?
It's a progress. It closes. Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, I'll have to put a plate probably right here.
It works. I said the door will break before that lock breaks.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
At least you hope. At least you hope with the amount you spent. Maybe things in rural Dartmouth have changed to where they feel unsafe. There's some big threat that I'm not privy to. But yeah, we spent upwards of $300 on industrial strength locks, because I guess there's no middle ground to this. The only locks you can get are the ones that they use in like doors for stores and strip malls, those thick ones, the little thingy that goes dead bolted. I mean, they're pretty. The door will break before that lock breaks, let's put it that way. And you know, I don't know, and if someone's gonna steal Bandit, well, I guarantee you 1 or 2 days of him pooping in the house, and they'll return him pretty fast, I'm sure. Alright, so leaving the gym, gotta run back to my parents' house, switch the laundry over, then run home and shower, then go back to my parents' house, pick up the laundry, and be done with it. So 2 loads to wash today, because giving the girls a bath, I have towels and can't fit it all in one machine. So back to my parents. When did oval doors, well, doors with glass, the ovals for front doors, become a thing? There's one, there's 2, opaque glass. They are all over the place. There's one, there's one, there's another one, there's one, there's one, and another. But seriously, when did these like opaque oval glass front doors become a thing? Because I guess in some cases they look alright, but I'm not feeling it. So tell me what you think in the comments below about front doors with opaque oval glass or stained oval glass. I think they kind of look gaudy. But tell me what you think. I'm curious to know. So back to my parents to pick up the second load of laundry, and had a couple of recruiters on LinkedIn actually connect with me, which is kind of cool, out of nowhere in one case, so that's cool. And I haven't heard anything back yet from the gentleman who's my brother's friend's associate about the potential position, that voicemail that I got yesterday, so hopefully I'll get a call back here still this afternoon. If not, try back tomorrow, I guess is the only thing I can do. Anyway, off to my parents. And I'm at my parents. And I'm leaving. It's always nice going over to the parents' house and talking to Mom. Oh, I'm going grocery shopping. Do you need anything? Why, yes. And rattle off a few things. She's like, oh, it's this special day at the grocery store, so a big sale. I'm like, okay. Give me A, B, C, D, please. Why not? They're offering. I'll take free food. So laundry's done, and now I'm home after dinner, and Ryan decided to light a fire in the fire pit since we haven't done that yet this year, and there's some stuff to burn. So some old pool cues, an old stool, some other stuff, a lot of lighter fluid.
You taking a video of that?
Mm-hmm.
Of me spilling my drink all over me?
I was paying attention to the fire. There's Ryan after he just got done spilling his drink all over him.
Yeah, blur my face out. Alright. Alright.
And fire is out, and it is late, and I am tired, and I'm saying "and" a lot. No, it's time for bed, so I am going to head off. More job hunting tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow actually, because I got a couple of hits from some recruiters today. No call back from that one gentleman my brother's friend knows, but who knows, maybe he was just busy and I'll get something tomorrow. But either way, I was talking to CJ earlier, and she was giving me a couple of tips on things to try with the LinkedIn profile and a few things like that. So I'm going to give that a try and see what comes of it. In the meantime, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching again. I do appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.